Grade Advanced class. We're going to be going over homework today. I'm going to go over the even ones. We see here, level practice, find the y-intercept of a line. The y-intercept is the point where the graph crosses, well, the y-axis. And the line crosses the y-axis at what points? Well, we got 0 here. And it's right in between these two here. We see this is 4, so this must be going up by 2s. 2, 4, 6. That's got to be 7. Now, the y-intercept is, well, 7. Going to number 8, find the y-intercept of this graph. Well, it's saying y equals kx. And I know that it's going through the origin. So the y-intercept is going to be 0, 0, right? It's going to be at 0, 0 is the point where it crosses y. That means the y-intercept is 0. All right? Now we're going down to number, see, that was number 8, so we're going to number 10. It says here, the graph represents the amount of gasoline in a canister after Joshua fills it at the gas station pump. What is the y-intercept of the graph, and what does it represent? As we can see here, the y-intercept is going through 0. So what does it represent? It represents that when, let's see, gas in the canister, right? And the time per second, right? And it's saying the graph represents the amount of gasoline in the canister after Joshua begins to fill it. So in other words, when 0 time has passed, you have 0 gas in the canister. When 0 time has passed, you have 0 amount of gas in the canister. All right, let's go to number 12 now. I would think in question, your friend incorrectly makes this graph as an example of a line with a y-intercept of 3. Explain your friend's possible error. Well, it looks like 1, 2, 3 on the x-intercept, doesn't it? Because over here it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y. There's no way they mistake it for -4. So what they did is they went through the x-intercept instead of the y-intercept. All right, so in this case, he went through the the x-axis instead of the y-axis. All right, that's the mistake you made. And draw a line on the graph that does represent a y-intercept of 3. Well, if I was going to go ahead and make this and say that the y-intercept is 3, well, any line that's passing through 1, 2, 3. So I can say this line right here, right, would be a line. And if I wanted to, I can keep making it just like that. And that would be a y-intercept of 3. And that's it for homework. Made pretty quick work of that one. So the rest of yours to do, I'm imagining you're going to make pretty quick work of this homework yourself. All right. So I'll see you in class for us to grade it, and have a good day.